Who is known as the father of Indian missile technology? Right answer is option D, APJ Abdul Kalam. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? The right answer is option A, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Who is known as the father of the Green Revolution or father of agriculture in India? The correct answer is option A, M.S. Swaminathan. Who is known as the father of White Revolution? The right answer is option A, Verghese Kurian. Who is famously known as the father of the Indian nuclear program? The correct answer is option A, Homi Jahangir Bhabha. Who is known as the father of the Blue Revolution in India? The correct answer is option C, Hiralal Chaudhary. Who is known as the father of the Indian space program? The right answer is option C, Vikram Sarabhai. Who is considered the father of modern India? The correct answer is option A, Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Who is known as the father of nuclear physics? Correct answer is option C, Ernest Rutherford. Who is known as the father of computer? Right answer is option D, Charles Babbage. Who is considered the father of Indian cinema? The correct answer is option B, Dadasaheb Phalke. Who is called the father of economics? Correct answer is option B, Adam Smith. Who is called the father of the periodic table of elements? Right answer is option B, Dmitry Mendeleev. Who is considered to be the father of Ayurveda? The right answer is option D, Charak. Who is known as the father of surgery? Right answer is option C, Sushruta. Who is known as the father of geography? The correct answer is option C, Eratosthenes. Who is known as the father of geometry? The correct answer is option C, Euclid. Who is known as the father of genetics? Right answer is option A, Gregor Mendel. Who is considered the father of political science? The correct answer is option C, Aristotle. Who is considered as the father of mobile phone? The correct answer is option B, Martin Cooper. Who is known as the father of quantum mechanics? The right answer is option B, Max Planck. Who is known as the father of evolution? Right answer is option B, Charles Darwin. Who is known as the father of microbiology? The correct answer is option D, Antony van Leeuwenhoek. Who is known as the father of modern Olympic Games? The correct answer is option A, Pierre de Coubertin. Who is called the father of immunology? Right answer is option D, Edward Jenner. Who is known as the father of Yellow Revolution in India? The correct answer is option B, Sam Pitroda. Who is called the father of aviation? The right answer is option A, George Cayley. Who is known as the father of the atomic bomb? The correct answer is option B, J. Robert Oppenheimer. Who is considered as the father of artificial intelligence? The right answer is option C, John McCarthy. Who is known as the father of blood groups? The correct answer is option A, Karl Landsteiner. Who is called the father of Indian economic reform? Share your answer in the comment section and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you for watching.